You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
'Twas the night before Christmas.
'Twas the night before American Royale, when all through the Weber, not a person was cooking, not even with white pepper. The BBQ Guru was hung on the egg with care, in hopes the internal temperature would soon be there. Little Smokie was settled, all snug in her bed, while visions of burn ends danced in her head. And Mama in her sweats and I in my skivvies had just settled down with shots of 2 whiskeys. When out on the patio there rose such a ruckus, I sprang from my chair to find my frozen tuckus. Away to the egg I flew like a kid, tore off the cover and threw up the lid. The charcoal was red and hot under streaks of black, which gave the appearance of crispy bacon, perfect for a snack. When what to my cobwebbed eyes should appear but a Yeti cooler full of cheap Texas beer. With an old grizzled man still spry and not quite vestige, it was Father Barbecue looking to cook some animal's appendage. Quicker than propane was the fire ablazing. He hooted and hollered at the brisket 'cause it was amazing. With a little helper so sassy and quick, we were in trouble 'cause she had the last fire stick. Faster than felling did wood come aflame. He whistled and shouted and called them out by name.
Now apple, now
mesquite,
and cherry, on
post,
and red oak and pecan.
Let's make this fire merry. To the side of the offset they all started to fly. Now smolder, he said, 'cause this is no
fish fry.
He spoke not a word, but went straight to his work. He basted the ribs and thighs with a Caribbean jerk. When he laid his finger on the black brisket bark, giving a nod of approval, this was the benchmark. He jumped to his Yeti, to his crew gave a shout. Grand champion we were, he knew without a doubt. But I heard him give a yell as he went out of sight. Happy Royale to you, and to all a sleepless night. The end.